afternoon when the clock strikes 4. Well, a crazy bunch of kids crash through that door, yeah. They throw off their coats and leave the squares behind, and then they shake it, shake it, shake it like they're losing their mind. You'll never see them frown, cause they're the nicest kids in town. Every afternoon you turn your TV on, and we know you turn the sound up when your parents are gone, yeah. And then you twist and shout for your favorite star, and once you practice every step that's in your repertoire, you better come on down and meet the nicest kids in town. Oh, nice white kids who like to lead the way, and once a month we have our Negro Day. And I'm the man who keeps it spinning round, Mr. Corny Collins with the latest, greatest Baltimore sound. So every afternoon, drop everything. Who needs a reading right when you can dance and sing? Yeah. Forget about your algebra and calculus. You can always do your homework on the morning bus. Can't tell a bird from a noun. They're the nicest kids in town. Roll call!
I'm Amber. Brad. Tabby.
Bender.
Shelly. Carmelita.
Liza. IQ.
And I'm Link.
So if every night you shake it and you lie in bed, and the bass and drums are pounding in your head, yeah. Who cares about sleep when you can snooze in school? They'll never get to college, but they'll still look cool. Who needs a cap and a gown when you're the